Greetings everyone, it's Saturday the 27th of April at the Bend. Yesterday I had a problem with my last run having a fuel pump failure. So I'm right at the back of the grid. And I thought I'll follow Brian for a little while in his very, very pretty little blue GT6. Jane Vollebrecht in that purple MGB, and Karen Hamer in the Datsun 1200. Just thought I'd show Brian what his car looks like from behind. This is all very good. And I fall off the cam because going a little bit slow, so I'll line them up and pass them now. And the best laid plans, Brian, your car's not slow. There you go. And I fall off the cam again. So this is my favourite corner for passing GT6s, orange and blue. Jane came across but waved me through now, which is, yeah. Thank you, Jane. I can't get this corner. I'm doing it all wrong. Very nice little Datsun 1200. And a little bit later I was catching this little Holden Gemini. And my fuel related problem reared its ugly head again. Started to fall a little bit flat around here. I have a fuel cell and a pump that pumps it up to a swirl pot, gravity feed to another pump to the front of the end car. One of the pumps, I thought it was a pump failure, and it wasn't. And it wasn't power to the pump; it was earth to the pump. Anyway, it sort of wrecked the weekend, but we fixed it for the following weekend, doing the Mallala 6 hour. But now you see, no fuel. Got off the track. The ignominy of being towed off.